Hi guys, good morning. Today I would like to share you my new release jigsaw kit. This one I call is Jane Garden. So I incorporate some ephemera of Jane. I mean actually it's like an image of Jane and also something about the flower because it's like springtime now. And as a normal, because this one I just print out on in the laser jet and then I just finish glowing back and back and front together. So I will share you what is in this kit. It came with 10 pages with 2 page of add-on. I have to use my hand, sorry, because in my mom's house, so I forgot my tripod. And this is the first page. I love it. It's very this theme is like a pink color and in brown color, and you can cut like something on here with a doily or here, because this one is yeah, it's like you can form this in an ephemera by itself. You can cut it on every tiny corner, or even the butterfly here. Okay, and Jane like sit in the corner, and this one is the back that I glue with some rustic feel also. This is the first page, and this is the second one with the roses and also some feel of vintagey. Love it. This is also the same, but yeah, because this is like print, I mean glowing back and forth, and the same like that. And this is in the brown color, close up, with all the flower and Jane. Love it. I love this page so much. I think the composition of this page is quite right for me. I love it. And another page, and I add like some vintage postcard, and also the sorry, the noise of the bird is very loud, and also like something like tape something, and also the flower. And this one, another one, I put some rose on it. I think rose and flower, it's fit with this kit very well. So I will put the link to my shop where you can find this kit below, and give me your comment if you like it. That would be very helpful for me. And if you like to see like any further kits, anything, any theme, just give me comments so I can design that, so you can play it around. And the kit, I just cut it out. There are tags, another one, also some rose, and some more tag. These are in one page, but I already fussy cut this thing out. Oh, this rose and more tag, and another one is like an envelope. I love this page, so you can form this one an envelope and attach the tape here and fold it. Yep, I think that's it, and I hope you like it. So have a good day. Bye guys.